Morning guys, we're back, another video. What we're going to do today, I'm going to take you around for a Monday of mine. Now each day of mine is the same pretty much every week I'm working, as I only do garden and commercial grounds maintenance. So every week the jobs will be exactly the same. I just might be doing something slightly different on each job. So what I'm going to do is show you a Monday one day, and then I'll do a Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday to show you what I get up to on each day. So yeah, let's get cracking. Yes guys, what we're doing there is just pruning this section back. I'm going to actually be taking that Eleagnis down. I want to get that down level, I think probably with about the railing here. This section does get a little bit overlooked, and I'm just going to spend the next couple of winter visits here just getting it all cut down and tidied up. Not too much I can do with the ivy in here. I just don't want it coming across the wall and up here, so I'm going to get in here with a hedge trimmer, cut the ivy back along the wall, pick any weeds out that are on the floor here. Like I say, that one will get chopped down using this. In here is a bit tricky because I sort of need to cut away through. So I'm actually going to take these two lumps off, because then I'm hoping the choice here will then come up and then somehow get away, cut down there. Or have to put a ladder up and come over. I'm not too sure. I'm hoping cut a little hole down there, and then it just makes it easier going forward. Look at the power of it. There we go. So I'll try and get this bloody thing out now, haven't I? Jesus. Oh. Size of it. At least now though, it's a little way through. Let's cut this bloody bit off. Take this one a little bit lower, I think. Get down in here. Lovely. All Crest need to make for this is a little holster, so then I can slot it in down here. But yeah, we're getting there. Look at that. You can actually get down here now. Annoyingly, we are going to have to lose a few bits, I think, because I either cut back here, but then everyone's going to see the hole. So I'd rather, like if people are sitting over there, I'd rather have the walkway along the fence where people can't actually see it. Not one to buy a scratch card, but I am feeling lucky. So let's see if I'm going to be a millionaire. Way! We won! We've won a £5. Well, I better go back and get another one then. I do not like gambling, by the way. I cock up in there. I didn't win a £5, I actually won a £10. So, quid's in, money up, and I've got 2 more. There we go, guys. All done there. We've now got the long journey off to the next job. Bit of tidying up there. I should have actually... We're only due an hour there, and I've already gone over 13 minutes. Bit annoying. Should have done a double visit. But... oh, there we are. We're at the next job. Not far to go at all. This lawn actually could do with a bit of a cut. Oh, bit of concrete off the roof. But yeah, I think I might have to give this one a cut. All this is damage from a load of scaffolding that was actually up at this site for nearly a year. So the lawns on this site have taken an absolute battering. And I haven't bothered doing anything because I wanted to make sure all the roofing work, all the stuff was done. Down here you see all these lines are just from scaffolding. Probably put some pictures in now. This had stuff all stacked up on there. And annoyingly these guys come in and trash all the site and you're sort of just left to pick up the pieces. They obviously will be paying for it. So... but yeah, just going to get in here, trim these fuchsias back down, probably blow all the leaves on these lawns, and then get these cut. There we go, trim those back. Rest of it along here is not looking too bad. All of the rest of the pruning we're going to do when it warms up a little bit more. More damage from scaffolding here. Actually had a load of this sat on the middle of the lawn for months. So there's big ruts and stuff along here. When this had actually happened, I had just like freshly renovated the lawn, and then the next month it was destroyed. Now got a lot of damage coming in here from foxes coming in here. I've just cut some dead photinias out of here. But yeah, this is a bit of an ongoing battle fixing all this mess. I've actually just gone and picked up a lawn loop, so in the spring I'm going to kind of level out a load of these holes and get this looking a lot better. None of the residents actually come down here because I have pointed it out to management here that it is really unsafe. I don't know what is living down here, but I do not want to put my hand in there. What would you guys recommend doing? This thing is absolutely trashing all along here, all the lawn. What would you guys do? Apart from get some dynamite out. There, that's 2 commercial ones ticked off the list for today. We're at 12 o'clock now. Another commercial site. We're going to be doing a Westerman video here, all along here and all this car park section. Just been doing a little bit of cutting back on the ivy, just getting everything sort of clean and as tidy as we can. Like I say, we're going to get the Westerman on all these paths, get all this cleared. May end up pressure washing these just because they are really bad. They previous contractor charged them a lot of money for some magic chemical, and he told them they'd never have moss again, and they obviously have moss everywhere. So they're a little bit reluctant on spending any money to put any product down here. But I've said to them we can Westerman it, scrape all the moss off, get some product down in like a test patch, and then I'll let them make their decision.
I ain't worried about shit, look, I ain't worried about it. I ain't worried about shit, look, I ain't worried about it. I ain't worried about it. I hate this shit, it's spinning it all. I hate this shit, it's spinning it all. For you, I spend it all.
There we go, guys, all done for the day. Just going to unload all of this mess. As you can see, looks shocking. So get all this out. Thanks for watching, guys. That has been a Monday at CJ Garden Services. Make sure you like and subscribe and follow along on this journey.